If Microsoft Edge is giving you a memory error, freezing, or slowing down your system, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that can help right away. These steps are simple, safe, and perfect for getting Edge running smoother again without needing any advanced technical skills. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the first step, and that is closing unnecessary tabs and processes. A lot of the time, the memory error happens because Edge has too many tabs open at once, or because other background apps are already using up a lot of your computer's resources. So first, go through your open Edge tabs and close anything you are not using. If you have multiple windows open, close the ones you do not need as well. Then, if the problem is still happening, open your Task Manager and check whether other heavy apps are running in the background. On Windows, you can usually press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. From there, look for programs using a lot of memory and close only the ones you recognize and do not need right now. This alone can make a big difference because Edge needs free memory to function properly. Next, let's clear the cookies and cache, because corrupted or overloaded browser data can often cause memory-related issues in Edge. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This will open the Clear Browsing Data window. In that menu, make sure you select the options for cookies and cached files. If you want a deeper cleanup, you can also include browsing history, but the most important items for this fix are cookies and cache. Then choose the time range you want to clear. If you are not sure, selecting all time is usually the best option when you are trying to troubleshoot a persistent error. Once everything is selected, click Clear Now. After that, give Edge a moment to finish the cleanup. Then restart the browser and check if the memory error is gone. Clearing this data can remove temporary files that may be causing conflicts or making the browser use more memory than it should. Now for the third step, go to the Extensions page and toggle off all extensions. Browser extensions can be useful, but sometimes one bad or outdated extension can cause Edge to consume too much memory or behave unpredictably. To check this, type edge://extensions into the address bar and press Enter. That will take you to the Extensions page. Once you are there, you will see every installed extension listed one by one. Turn off every extension temporarily by switching the toggle off. Do not remove them yet, just disable them for now. After that, restart Microsoft Edge and see if the memory error still appears. If the browser starts working normally again, then one of your extensions is likely the cause. You can turn them back on one at a time to figure out which one is creating the issue. This is a very effective way to isolate the problem without uninstalling everything at once. If you followed all three steps, there is a good chance your Microsoft Edge memory error is already fixed. Close extra tabs and unnecessary background processes. Clear your cookies and cache, and disable all extensions to test for conflicts. These are some of the fastest ways to reduce browser memory usage and get Edge running more smoothly again. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.